Hey guys, we're here at my macrame rack where I do my macrame crafting. Today I thought it would be fun to teach you guys how to do a Josephine knot. It's really simple when you break it down, I promise. It looks way harder than it is. I will show you how to do it with 2 strands and then with 4. So don't worry about this guy. Let's just put him off to the side. He doesn't matter. Okay, so for the 2 strand one, you're gonna take the left side and make a loop. So it kind of hangs out like that with the end of the tail behind the strand. Now your right strand goes right in front of that loop. I tend to make my loops a little bit bigger so I can see where everything has to go. So then this strand, your right strand, you take it and you put it under the tail of the left, over this strand, and then behind the right strand. So it's kind of a lot to juggle in your hands, but then you're left with this kind of pretzel looking thing. And then so this tail, stick it right through. Let me pull it out for you. And then you're gonna keep continuing to pull it through this one right here. It's a lot to juggle. But take your time, nobody's in a rush. So it ends up looking like a little pretzel, right? And then you just floop, floop, adjust. So you can leave it kind of loose like that, or you can completely just tie it tight. And there you have it. So that's just a single strand Josephine knot. So really simple when you break it down. It's a lot to juggle. I'll do it one more time. Take that loop there, take that one other right strand, put it on top. And you take your right hand, hold everything together, bring the right strand under the left tail, through, bam. So there's your loop, and then that tail goes between the loop and this strand there, and then you go back, so you kind of weave it. All right. Oh, I kind of got it a little too low on the camera, I'm sorry. That's what I get for not paying attention. All right. And then you just play around with it and adjust it. Boom. Okay. So now that we got the double or the single strand knot down, let's adjust. Make that go away. And then we'll do a double strand. So this creates a thicker knot, and I like using it for plant hangers, to add a little decoration to a wall hanging, make it a little statement. I just think it's a beautiful little knot. All right, so some people like to do it 1 strand at a time. To me, if you can do it all together, it makes it so much easier. It's just a little bit more finagling. So you just take it together like so. That goes on top. Let's see, get it in the camera for you. All right, pinch it. Bring this one around town. Over and through. Bam. And then adjust it so you can get your rope where it needs to be. Through. And then through again. So like I said, it's a lot of like finagling and adjusting. The rope but I feel like it's less confusing to do it this way, as I'm struggling, than it is to continually add through and weave. But that's just my opinion. This is just how I do it. And then I go through and adjust and make sure all the cords are lying the correct way. And again, you can kind of leave it open, or you can just pinch in the center like this and pull them tight. And so that's the comparison. I'll show you the two together so you can see. This is the same millimeter thickness as the rope here. The same exact rope. It's just double in size because you're adding more cord. So that's something to think about too when you're doing your projects. What you want to add, how you want to add it. Will a single knot work, or will a double stranded knot work? So that's basically it, guys. If you have any questions or need any more clarification, please let me know. If you like this video and want more of them, I'm planning on doing more. Yeah, let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm experimenting with camera angles and trying to get the right lighting, and sometimes an idea sparks and I'm like, I gotta do it now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.